Calcutta, West Bengal. I worked at United Bank of India for 36 years and retired as Assistant General Manager in 2009. And after 2009, I joined the profession of legal branch and practiced in the court in different areas. For the last 2 years, I am working as insolvency professional by the assignment given by Honorable NCLT Court, Chandigarh, Bangalore and Calcutta. For last 1 year, at the time of working as insolvency professional, I find that there is a necessity to learn the art of advocacy. My qualification is MBA Finance, CIIB, LLB, and I have also passed limited insolvency examination. Because before 2-3 years, a new act was introduced as Real Estate Regulation Act, and to learn the subject, the effect on the real estate area, I undergo the certificate course of Real Estate Regulation Act from LOSICO. Thereafter, I also saw there are many changes in Arbitration Act, and I also completed the certificate of arbitration course from LOSICO. Now I undertake the certificate course on competition law because there is a effect of dominant position by the big commercial houses to the society, and to learn how to move the competition commission, I undertake the courses. Before admission, I apprehend that it will be very, very difficult for me. But after taking the admission, within a couple of weeks, I seen that it is very, very easy by me. Even I do not know any technology, because all the staffs of the LOSICO are stand with me and always welcome me to support to type out what are my difficult areas. And that's why I feel it is too easy to learn.
Thank you. And are you generally technology friendly, or did you have to learn something new to use the courses?
Yes, because at the age of 70, I think that there is no chance to learn anymore by attending the school or colleges. But after admission at LOSICO, I saw a new area that an old man can also learn through this process of e-learning method, and I again started to study and learn more and more in every day. Yes, every staff who conduct the classes ask me what are the difficult areas. If I inform me even in WhatsApp, they quickly respond, and until I solve the problem, they stand with me and demonstrate me how to enter the classes and how to hear the classes in the running session. I still need the support to enter quickly into the Zoom session. The best part of the course is enriched study material, a binding book sent by LOSICO, and the MCQ test. By this system, we also see the best part after evaluation of my exercises. By doing the course, I can easily handle my client, what are their problems, how their problems can be filed at the court. It is very easy to me. It is now become very easy to me. others like student, school and college teachers, police personnel, officers at bank and commercial houses, even they do not have the LLB degree but learn the essentials of the legal aspect from any course of law school. Many senior citizens, especially the professionals of chartered accountant, cost accountant and company secretary, now they are eligible to act as a mediator, arbitrator and the commercial courts. So if they undertake any course from the law school, they will add a value, there will be a value addition in their career and handle their clients easily.